Is that a G87? I'm not trying to get it too good. Hey, look, he got the middle. Thanks. You know, there's supposed to be no lemon in there. No ice. We're gonna give you half a drink instead. Huh. All right, y'all. We got my F90 M5. Let's go ahead, bro. I'm about to sit down real quick. Enjoy some of this real quick. Just, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy my little snack right here, and I'll catch y'all when we take off. All right, y'all. Finished my hot dog. That was the messiest name. That's it on mine. Y'all, we are about to run to my homie's house. Let's go ahead and head to the homie's crib. What is up, y'all? Yo, we had a super freaking eventful day today. So many fast cars. Don't ever think you can hold the lane from me, boy. So many freaking cool fast cars was outside, bro. I had a good time outside, I'm not gonna lie. Don't care. Hey, that's legal, by the way. I don't want y'all to think I be doing illegal stuff. Everything I do be legal, twin. Look at this 540i. Came a long way, didn't it? But we are headed to the homie's house real quick, man. He has a freaking insane GTR. I'll show you guys when we get there. There's an insane GTR and a clean E92 M3. I mean, that thing is like fire, bro. I can't even lie. It looked so good, bro. So I did so much driving today. I cannot wait until y'all see my freaking brake pads. I mean, my wheels, bro. I'm gonna show y'all my wheels. Literally filthy. Like, worst I've ever seen them, at least. So I need to get them freaking clean. I'm not gonna lie. Once I get them clean, I'll be happy and I'll be okay. We had a good freaking eventful day, if you ask me. I had linked up with a lot of the homies, bro. All of them, bro. And bro, everybody got a fast car. Like, hey, like you got the person who got the fastest car at the group, and then you got like fast cars too, though. But like, on average, everybody got fast cars. Y'all don't too much cut up around here. Hey, this neck of the woods right here, y'all. And this ain't nowhere where you want to get caught up and go to jail or anything, bro. These boys out here have a 98% conviction rate. 98%. I don't think you're hearing me. 98% conviction rate, bro. Out here, it's just not like, it is not where you want to do that at. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm still speeding, but it'll be all right. They usually run radar out here, but hey, just look up Georgia 400 police chase. Hey, like this 400 strip, it used to be a playground, bro. You usually could get on here and act a nut, but now, no, sir. No, sir. Man, I hope y'all been loving the consistency of the videos, but we're just headed to the homies, bro. Slow moving and stuff, bro. I ain't got time for that. In the way, bro. One time, I actually remember, I got a ticket because a cop was standing up top, bro. A cop standing up top, bro. I don't know where he had his car parked. Standing up top, and then they had like 3 or 4 cops waiting down here at the bottom, and they'll clock you, bro. And it was so max, bro. I fought that ticket for like a year. I was like, bro, like, hey, look at what y'all like this y'all going to. Like, no. Turn this off. I need to change that. Oh, there you go. These boys out here, man. Y'all, I missed the M5. And bro, what? Hey, is that a G87? Oh no, I was about to say, I thought that was a G87 M2. It's the same color though as my M2. That skyscraper gray, bro. Oh, it's an M240. Not bad. All right, I didn't know we were going 2 miles per hour. Oh, my hip, hey, the hips on my M2 is way wider. I mean, this don't look bad, but hey, y'all going too slow. All that going slow mess, bro. That junk pissed me off. I don't know why that junk made me so mad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, every time we cut up on this highway, they always, the police said, like, the police will find us later and be like, yeah, we got a call about you guys, and and I just told y'all I don't need to be cutting up, so let me chill. But them cars, they just maxing it, bro. That was a little calm, little set, like, bro, that was calm. I ain't even OD with it. And the thing out here though, just so you know, they gotta catch you in the act. If they don't catch you in the act, it's he say, she say. Not gonna lie to you. That's a cop right there. That's literally a cop right there. And I was going 80. Damn, I'm about to get pulled over. Told y'all. He must have been running laser. I literally just watched him merge on the highway. I'm trying to see where he's gonna come from. This accident for 1 mile. Hey, I'm nervous. Nah, that might not be a cop. Oh, Nah, I think we good. Hey, y'all taking too long again, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I be trying to be patient with, but I just can't. It's like they ain't got nowhere to be. They just drive with like nowhere to be at all. It's like, yeah. Jeez, that thing sounded insane. I don't know if y'all could hear it through the windows. But yeah, they ain't got. Hey, over here, let me chill, bro. I'm not trying to get a ticket. Hey, look, he got the middle finger out. And that's so funny, bro. Oh my goodness. And that putting that middle finger out is actually hilarious. I ain't gonna lie. And like, hey, stuff like that don't bother me, bro. Hey, like, you ain't about nothing. A middle finger, that does not hurt me, bro. I've been called all types of words, names, slurs, and that middle finger means nothing. Hey, y'all don't ever be affected by people who do stuff like that, bro. It literally means nothing. And what makes it even funnier is I know dang on well they can't see in this tent at all. I like when people do that, bro. I'm gonna put up the middle finger at you. I guess I cut him off. Oh well, stay out the way. Hey, y'all, they maxed it. I ain't gonna lie, I've noticed my tire pressure has been fluctuating a lot too. Hey, but I got, bro, I'm hoping, I need to take this car in for service in 1,700 miles. My goal is for them to replace my rotors. I'm not gonna lie. I want my rotors replaced. Cause I got the maintenance package, just replace it for free. Oh, bro, this road is so fun. I wish there wasn't so many cars going down this road. We actually had some fun. Oh, hey, look at this G82. Look at it. Is that it? Yeah, it's him too. Hey, I like seeing old people in M cars, bro. He like, hey, he just minding his business, living life. Bro, I'm gonna get a better POV later, just so y'all know. This is just like a chill cruise. We're going around the lake. Hey, it's a lot to see over this way, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, if this Toyota wasn't in front of me, y'all, I promise you I would have ate this road down. We would have had a blast on this road. Cause this road is so fun, and they repaved it. Oh crap. This road is so freaking fun. Take this boy and just dang, I hate that it be other cars. Like, I want to be the only car on the road. Oh crap. Oh dang. I can't even get up there how I want to. Oh crap. All right, we're getting close to his house and I don't want to leak where he live at. Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all.